It's for both. If I want to do options, I go to settings, I go to trade, I go to active trade settings, and now I come down here to options and I can do the exact same thing. You see it?
Yes.
And I can make them anything I want.
You can do the limited mid.
Yep. Those will be custom. So you'd say buy custom, limit, how many contracts, offset, round to the right price. If you want to stop or take profit, it's all right here. And then you do the same thing. Put in your hotkey, right? See it?
What's the limit offset?
That's if you know how when you buy your contracts, say the contract's $1.27,
Mm-hmm.
you're saying you can make that up to 20 cents different. You know how we make contracts
Gotcha.
a lot of times?
Yeah.
That would change it.
Perfect. Thank you.
Have this much, it's called variance, right? So you can say you can be off by 3 cents and I still want you to make the trade, right? Even if yep. So even if it's 3 cents, just do it.
So coach, the first move on that though would be to go into the options to choose your strike price. And then the next move would be a hotkey.
Correct.
Okay.